Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Ka Jingïarap balakot penlong da ulampang jong ka yeng dor bar thau an uba med ba lingdo menta ka sngi ka khat sautrik ubna jilleu arajar arpuwei kala shim ye ka rai ban ai Jingïarap ki Marbam shiki arspa arngot ki Khynnah ki badan ye ka jingpang HIV AIDS ka jingshim ye ka ni ka rai ka long hadin bakalawan ka jing terwana ka liang jong ka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society sha ka Meghalaya Legislator Forum on HIV AIDS Habakren cikila pathai khobor ba medba lingdo uliyatho baka forum kala pen khamti ha u ban shim ya kane ka senjam bat ban pen biang ki Marbam shakini ki Khynnah hadin bakile yakando jinge naka jingpen jari jong ki Bor Sanshar district ya ka jingkhangdam naka benta bante lakam ya ka jing saphriang jong khunyang jingpang COVID-19 ha ka jilla baro ka wei.
The objective of initiating this review meeting right from last year from my office is basically to ensure that all the honorable members comes together and fight against this COVID-19. As been stated by all the honorable members also, that this is a war. So as the honorable members of the August House, I was convinced that we have to come together as one and fight against this. So in the course of discussion, there are a lot of inputs, feedbacks and suggestions given by all the honorable members expressed in the review, and where the department concerned, be it the health and other departments also have taken note of and ensure that those things are in place at the ground level. Well, state as a whole, it's very vast, has this very vast area. It's very difficult to ensure that each and every health centers are being taken care of. But however, most of those areas, we have seen that the health workers, the doctors, the headmen, and so on, they're really a part and parcel of the team. Today, we have been given a presentation on the status of COVID-19, and let me tell you that it is because of the teamwork that we have from all the honorable members, and especially from the Honorable Chief Minister, who is the head of the state, driving the steps and actions which are supposed to be there in place. And people have to come forward now to ensure that they also be part and parcel of this mission or this war that we are fighting for, to ensure that we clean up all we clean up this virus which is there in our state. So that's all for today. I think we'll be again having this kind of reviews in the future if needed. I think from my side, as far as this review meeting is concerned, I consider that everybody are on board. Everybody, they are in the same boat, and we are fighting as one. And they have given a lot of suggestions which are very, very vital. And from those who are in the helms of affairs of the government, they have taken note of, which they have also acknowledged that yes, the suggestions given by those honorable members are very vital and which needs to be taken up. The second meeting that we had today is with regards to the proposal which has come from the Meghalaya AIDS Control Society to the Meghalaya Legislator Forum on HIV and AIDS. There was a proposal from them with regards to distributing free dry rations to those people living with HIV. And we have almost 202 children also who are living with HIV. So the forum today have authorized me to take necessary steps in those agendas which have been brought up today for discussion. As of now, those who are regular coming to for taking like all the medicines, those things are 1,574 people living with HIV. And as I have said, 202 children also who are living with HIV, they are also part of the thing. So some nutritional support are also being proposed, which we will be giving to them. And we have decided also that quarterly we will be distributing to these children who are living with HIV.